Welcome to how to move an IFX in VR. First, let's reselect the IFX we placed in the scene. You will notice a semi-transparent sphere appear at the origin of your IFX. One way to reselect your item is to aim your controller at this sphere, press and release the trigger on your controller. When an item is selected, it can be moved around the location by moving your controller. To move an IFX away from you, push the right thumbstick forward, and to move it closer to you, push it backwards. To change the size of an object, push the right thumbstick to the left to make it smaller, and to the right to make it bigger. To rotate an item, first make sure you still have your IFX selected. Using the left-hand controller, press and hold the trigger and rotate your hand to rotate the item. To rotate an item more than one full rotation, release the trigger, then press it again to regrip, and then rotate the item further. When you're happy with the position of your item, press the trigger again to release. Another way to move an item is to pick it up with your hand controllers. To do this, first reach your controller into the transparent sphere and pull and hold your trigger button. The IFX will follow your hand until you release the trigger. This option is useful for placing IFX with more accuracy. To delete an item, click on the three dots next to the transparent circle. Then open your Options tab and click on Delete to remove your IFX. If you want to delete all the IFX you placed in the scene, you can use the Delete IFX options in your menu. To do this, you'll need to open your menu and go to the IFX tab. Then click on the IFX button in the top right corner. This will open a pop-up that gives you the option to delete just the IFX you've personally placed, delete everyone's IFX, or just the IFX that have the shared setting enabled.